Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to introduce my guitar cordless impact driver, the model TD110D This is set have two battery, 12 volt mag 1.5 ampere and standard charger. Okay, I will open the box and show inside. First, have to take out case. Okay. Move here. Yeah, inside have leaflet about 12 volt battery. One battery can use with many tools. Vacuum, light, for gardening tool, caulking gun, for carpenter or wood workshop, pinealler, jigsaw, receiver saw, cutter, rotary hammer, impact driver, drill, speaker, radio, and also laser, fan jacket and fan. And this is instruction manual. And this is specification. Okay. And this is charger instruction manual. Battery 1.5 ampere, don't have battery indicator. If you want to know it charged full or not, see on the battery. Also see on the charger. Green color, battery full when you charge. And one more battery. Yeah. 1.5 ampere 12 volt battery. Code number or model BL1016. This is the model of impact driver TD110D. For the battery from the factory, it's not yet charged, so if you want to use it, please check before use. I just test a little bit. If I try to push many times, it pulls up the battery. This is the standard charger, no fan, so it's not a fast charger. DC10WD. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any comment, please comment below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.